Hi, and welcome to our tutorial video on creating a quote and placing an order for a new system directly from the Genetec portal. To start, click on the Quotes and Orders button. Next, click on New Project found under the New System Design section. Fill in all the fields marked with an asterisk on the form. When you get to the Product Information section, make sure to select Security Center to quote a video or access control system. Also, select Genetec Advantage even if you're unsure that you will need it for the quote. You can remove Advantage from your quote later in the process if you'd like. If this project is for a current customer, select Yes and choose the customer from the drop-down. If this is for a new customer, select No and fill in all the required fields. When you've completed the form, click on Create Project. On the Current Projects page, the portal will display the project information you've entered on the previous page. If you're ready to quote the project, click on Create Quote from the right-hand menu. On the Create New Quote page, select New System from the Quote Type drop-down menu. Under Select Your System Type drop-down menu, select Security Center and choose the product version and product edition needed for the quote. Once complete, click Continue. On the Modify Quote page, navigate to the Search In drop-down menu to select the edition you wish to quote parts for. In the drop-down menu below, type or select the part you would like to add to your quote, then click Add Item. Need to add parts for a different edition? Simply change the edition from the Search In drop-down menu prior to searching for the parts. Once all the parts for the quote have been selected, click Continue at the bottom of the page. Here we can add Genetec Advantage to your quote. If you do not need Advantage coverage, you can skip this page and click on Quote Summary located at the bottom right of the page. If you want to add Advantage, choose the Term of Advantage quote from the drop-down menu under Choose a Year Term. Want to include 24/7 pager support? Click Add from the Genetec Advantage Options section. Once complete, click Add Genetec Advantage to add it to your quote. Then click Quote Summary at the bottom of the page. The Quote Summary page shows you your quote with all the parts and pricing for your review. Before submitting your quote as an order, you can select the following options. Save the quote to your computer by clicking Save PDF. Ask Genetec Channel Sales to review your quote or add any parts that can't be quoted from the Genetec portal by clicking Request Review. Add additional parts that you may have missed by clicking Modify Quote. You can send the quote to your customer, team, or to anyone at Genetec by clicking Email Quote. If you're ready to submit your quote as an order, select Checkout at the bottom of the page. A disclaimer will pop up prior to your navigation to the checkout page. Read the disclaimer, then click I agree to proceed with checkout. Fill in the form at the checkout page with the required information marked with asterisk. In the additional comments box, please add your shipping specifications such as your carrier account number or freight forwarded information, customs broker name and phone number, and specific documentation required for customs. If there is a pre-approved discount for the quote, you can also enter the details here. Click Place Order to submit your order to our customer service team. You will receive an email with your licenses. If you've ordered hardware, our customer service team will update you on the shipping status via email. Thanks for watching our tutorial video. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact us at channelsales@genetec.com.